Hi, thanks so much for joining me today. Today's video is a super quick little Dutch pour diptych created with golden brand paints on two 20 by 30 centimeters canvases. One of the biggest issues with Dutch pours is ensuring you have enough base paint for the colors to flow, but not too much or they will end up sinking and moving around too much. I add my puddle of base, mixed to the same consistency as my colors, and spread it around to each corner, making sure it flows over the edges. Then I'll add another small splash where I plan to lay the colors. Just giving my base a super quick torch to remove bubbles. I have included links in the description in case you are interested for the torch I use, Golden Paints. I love this brand and a hairdryer suitable for Dutch pours. It needs to have a decent narrow nozzle that will direct the airflow. Because I want the colors to flow from one piece to the next, for this set I have placed the canvases close together and will paint them in one go. Before starting the pour, I played around with layering my colors in different orders on a small tile to see which order worked best for the look I wanted to achieve. That last one, the interference gold, is one of my absolute favorites. Now I am torching again to remove bubbles from the colors. I'm not wanting to achieve lots of cells in this piece. I just want the ethereal flowy colors. So I have chosen and layered my paints to try and avoid the creation of cells. I want to create the look of a silk scarf, twisting and flowing in the wind, so I've left the center fairly solid and am blowing out from there. Notice the angle I hold the hairdryer, upside down. The idea is to flow the air across the colors and get them to skim across the top of the base, and this is easier to achieve with the hairdryer at this angle. I'm not blowing straight down into the paint, and start just at the outer edge of where you want the paint to flow from. Use a cool setting and low power. Just a little bit of blowing out some parts with my mouth, tweaking and finessing. Sorry about the head again. Here I am trying to create an edge in the paint, so it looks like the scarf folding over and moving. Unfortunately, the camera stopped while I was filming the close-ups, so I only have the still photos. I'll film it once dried and post that in a few days, then again once varnished. Thanks again for stopping by and watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please click here or here for more fluid art videos. I work with acrylic paints, epoxy, and UV resins. And don't forget to help me out by subscribing to my channel.